Welcome to Rapid Router. In this game, you will learn coding by helping a van deliver groceries to houses. Rapid Router has lots of fun levels. We're talking about 79 in total. Each level gets a little more challenging. As you play, you will explore new maps, meet different characters, and learn new coding tricks. Let's take a look at the very first level together. Can you help the van get to the house? When you land in the play screen, after you read through the instruction, hit play. In this screen, you will find a map on the right. It shows where the van starts and where the house is. In the middle is your coding area. On the left, you will see coding blocks. Drag and drop them here to build your code. When you're ready, click play and watch the van drive. After you finish, you will get a score. 20 is the highest score you can get. Try using different shortest blocks possible to improve your score. Don't worry if you don't get 20 straight away. You can always check the hints and try it again. In the home screen, you can replay levels, see your score, and even make your levels to share with your classmates after you get into teacher's approval. Here is where you can see the levels you played. You can find the scores on the right-hand side. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, here you will find created levels, levels created by you, and levels shared with you. That's it for now. Good luck on your coding journey, and have fun driving the van in Rapid Router.